it's Adriana. Welcome back to another video on a little bit of this and that. This week's video is just going to be an easy way to get rid of your bananas in your house. So basically what we are going to be doing is we're going to take our leftover bananas. We are using 3 because we have 3 leftover bananas. And then you are going to need some cake mix. We are just using this moist cake mix. And then you will need 2 eggs and some parchment like cupcake liners. And then you will need, for this, you will need like a tray that holds like cupcakes. And we are just going to be making it, the eggs. And right now we have the oven, that's why there's background noise, so that we are preheating it to 350 degrees. So the first thing to do is to mash up your old mushy bad bananas. Alrighty guys, so I have smashed all 3 of my bananas and we have poured all of the cake mix in the bowl. Now you are just gonna make like a hole in the center and just put all your banana in. And now it just like goes in there into the middle. Now you're going to take your 2 eggs that you have cracked. And now you are just gonna mix all of it together. Alrighty guys, so you wanna make sure it looks like this. And if you see, and when you're mixing and you see some chunks of like the cake mix, make sure you mix that place really good. And then after you're done mixing it, you're gonna take an ice cream scooper, and right now, as you can tell, these liners are very like standing up kind of. So basically you're just gonna take this, fill it up to the top, and fill these 3/4 fill. Alrighty guys, so this one box of cake mix had made 12 muffins, and they are going to be big muffins. Like if you see this one, it's gonna like go over top of it. And there were some of like the cake mix, so we just took a wet paper towel and got rid of all of that. And now they're time to go into the 350-degree oven. Okay guys, so we have the finished product of these banana muffins. So it was very easy to make. We put it in the oven for about 21 minutes, and we put a toothpick to make sure that it was cooked enough. So here are some options we have here to put like on top of it. You have a Hershey's milk chocolate frosting, powdered sugar, and Nutella. And I am going to be using the powdered sugar to see how it tastes. And then I'm just gonna take a bite of it. Smells really good. That tastes very chocolatey. I could eat these all day. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button like a banana. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Bye-bye. I'll see you next week.